In CSCI 101, the foundation of data science and engineering, we started by reviewing statistical thinkings. Because statistics is important. Statistics is the foundation of data science. And then we venture into understanding how to organize and manage data, how to clean the data, and get the data ready for data analysis and data modeling. We also learn about storytelling with data. Storytelling with data is about how to quickly communicate the message that you want to communicate based on the data. And we ended the course by learning how to do linear regression modeling, logistic regression modeling, as well as natural language processing. We want to use the course to let you have the experience of what a Harvard master degree course looks like, to provide you with the foundational skills so that you can be successful for the remainder of the curriculum in data science.